Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to do reverse engineering using Fusion 360. So we have a scan mesh file from one of our client, and it is an impeller. First of all, I will import the mesh. This is our mesh. As you can see that this is not perfectly aligned. So first of all, I will align this one by adjusting it. So I have to move it to center and move to ground. Then OK. I can still see that this is not perfectly aligned, but I will use some tricks to convert it into a perfect solid body. So we have two options. One is form modeling and other is mesh modeling. So in the mesh modeling, we have a create mesh section sketch. In the body section, we need to select this body, and then we need to select the plane. I will select this top plane, and I wanted to create first feature, which is this circle. So for that, I will move my plane to this top section. Click OK. Now I have this circle, and I can see that this is not perfect as compared to body. For that, I will try to move it further. Now we can see that this is looking good. We have this circle outer, and this is inner circle. So in the sketch section, I have this sketch profile. I will edit this. In the sketch section, I have fit curves to mesh section, and here we have options like spline, arc, line, and circle. So in our case, we have this circle. I will click on circle, and if I move my cursor near to this, then this is showing that this is a circle, and this will capture this profile. I click on this, and we can see another circle which is a perfect, and for this one like this, click OK. And if I hide a mesh section sketch, then I will notice that we have two smooth and perfect circles. So by using these circles, I will create axis. So in construction, we have axis perpendicular to face. So for that, I have this face, and this is my point. Now I have a perfect axis. So after creating this axis, we need to build a base. So these are the fins which we can create later. So first I have this profile and this part, which is the base of this model. So I have created this already. Here we can see that model. I used mesh section sketch to create this. Here was my mesh, and I created this loft feature by creating a mesh section sketch, and I show you how I did that. Here is the sketch. If I hide this body and this one, then we can see this clearly. First I selected the main body and then plane, and after that I created this spline and these lines. So we have already axis, so I revolved it to create this uniform body. Now our base is ready. After that we had this option to move with mesh section sketch, but I think that is not a good way to create this body. So for that, first I show you how it works. Now you can see that I created these mesh section sketch. I was trying to create a surface body by using these lines to create a loft feature, and from that surface body I was trying to make that fin, but I think that was not a good way. As you can see that, and this was that method, but this is complex in Fusion 360. For that, I think Geomagic Design X is the perfect choice. We can use that to create solid bodies easily. I skipped this one and I used another method which is called form modeling. So in the form modeling, I created this one, and this is my form plane. If I show the body, we can see like this. We can create it by going to form modeling and then face. In the face, we don't need to select any plane. We will use object snap. In the object snap, I will create a simple plane like this. And by using this plane, I will use different features like extrude and other features like this one. If I click extrude by pressing alt, then we can see that this is creating a very uniform body. So by adjusting vertices and edges, we can match the surface. We can move it further like this, and we can adjust this surface. And this is the easy method to do such a complex work in Fusion 360. Like this, we can match whole fin like this, and we have another option, pull. If I click on pull, and then it will automatically pull the body to surface and match it perfectly. So this is the way. Look at this, how it fits. So in this way we can create a form surface. After creating form surface, we can create a thickened body from here, or we can use permit from surface tools. So I used this from surface by thicken, and here is my profile. And again I created this form tool for this small fin. After that I created this section sketch to create to remove this extra material. If we see at this, then we can notice that this is extended outside, so I removed it by revolving. After that I created this circular pattern. We can use this to create multiple bodies quickly, and by joining these bodies we can create one component. In while joining, we have to focus on things like the target body. This middle one body is our target body, which is our base body, and the tool bodies are our fins, which I created later. And the operation was join, and it was a new component for us. After all of this, I created some fillets which were required to make it smooth. Here are the fillets, and we can see that our main body is ready. So in this way, we can do reverse engineering to convert a mesh or scan file into a solid body using Fusion 360. If you like this video, hit a like button and subscribe. Thank you.